Hello everyone, it's Ryan Long here from Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon, and today we are taking a look at this 2025 Ford Ranger XLT 301A package. This is in the Oxford white, and it does have the black appearance package as well. So you're rolling on 18-inch black painted aluminum alloy wheels, and this one's powered by the larger 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, so you get plenty of power here. You do have the FX4 off-road package on here as well with your locking rear axle. And coming around back, you do have reverse parking sensors and your reverse camera, your 2-inch hitch, and your different trailer connections here. You do have the Ford ToughBed spray and bed liner in the bed of the truck here. Nice soft ascending tailgate. You do have a 400-watt power outlet in the bed here, as well as a bunch of tie downs. So very nice bed in this truck. Coming around to the interior, you have ebony cloth interior, nice sliding rear window there. It is a power sliding rear window, so your switch is up there, and it does have rear defrost. You do have cup holders back here, and there's storage underneath, so be sure to check out the photos in the first link in the description for that. A couple USB ports, another power outlet, a little storage shelf, and you do have floor liners that of course will be installed for you. Up front here, you do have power windows and locks, power glass adjustable heated mirrors with blind spot monitoring, and they are actually power folding mirrors as well, so just to push a button to fold them in and out. Automatic headlights and high beams, and very comfortable front bucket seats up here that are heated and powered with Lumbar. Step into the vehicle. You have a customizable digital display right behind the steering wheel. A very comfortable steering wheel here, very nicely wrapped. You do have your cruise control and your lane keeping system here. A nice large center display. There's your reverse camera. You do have navigation, dual zone climate. I like how they give you the little dials here as well, or you can use the touchscreen, whatever you prefer. And then of course you have your volume controls here. You have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that works really well on this vehicle as well. You have wireless phone charging here and a couple USB ports. Your shifter, you have park, reverse, neutral, drive. You also have a manual shifting option on the side here. Electronic parking brake. This here is part of your FX4 off-road package, so it will show a view here, and you can lock the rear axle just by tapping the screen. Sorry, there's a screen protector on here. It's brand new. And then you also have your different drive modes here, different 4x4 modes. Then you have some storage here in the center console, and more storage over here in the locking glove box. A little kind of shelf here. And then you have an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a spot for your sunglasses, your reading lights, and your power sliding window switch. So a really nice Ranger all the way around. If you're interested in this vehicle, please reach out to me at Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon and ask for Ryan. You can reach me during business hours at 705-738-2393 and ask for Ryan. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.